Today we're digging into social listening. This is the process of monitoring and analyzing conversations and trends happening across social media platforms to gain insights into what people are saying about a brand, industry, or specific topic. So, why does social listening matter? Well, you always want to be on the good side of what's trending. You don't want to get ambushed. Social listening gets you in front of potential crises and minimizes the risk of a publicity ambush. You learn how your customer engages with content and you learn about them. It helps benchmark against competitors, and it also surfaces emerging relevant trends and topics. Some key aspects of social listening are monitoring and decoding social channels, understanding sentiments and context, and identifying trends and patterns. Let's take a look at the first two bullet points. This is a lot of data to synthesize. Social conversations move fast and go viral. How can we interpret this data fast to lead conversations and control the narrative? One of the best and most common visualization tools is the dashboard, which is a centralized platform that consolidates performance metrics across social networks. Dashboards provide a high-level view of a wide range of data, such as hashtags, followers, reach, impressions, and resharing or mentions. Dashboards compile this data to answer a single question, such as what type of engagement is our content creating, or what feedback are customers providing about our product? A lot of this work is done by social listening platforms such as Hootsuite and Sprout. Both are capable of tracking brand mentions, keywords, hashtags, competitors across social channels. In front of you is an example of the Hootsuite dashboard. And this next slide is an example of the Sprout dashboard, which both platforms provide analytics and reporting. They can rank keywords and brand mentions across social media. You can integrate these platforms into your CRM. Social conversations move so fast. These types of visualizations really do a great job helping us spot trends and control the narrative. Now, let's take a look at that last bullet point about trending. Trending is a term used to describe popular topics, hashtags, or keywords that are currently generating a lot of buzz on social media platforms such as X, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. To understand trending, we first have to dig into algorithms. These are statistical models used by the platform to identify popular topics and keywords. These algorithms analyze the activity, such as the number of likes, comments, shares, and searches. The algorithm uses these data points to calculate the content and topics generating the most engagement. Once a topic reaches a certain threshold of activity, it is labeled as trending. Think of For Your Page on TikTok. But more importantly, pay careful attention to the hashtags, not just the ones you use or your competition, but think about your customers and how they use hashtags to engage their own networks. So, as we're monitoring our social channels and synthesizing that data on our dashboards, let's double click on some key actions to take. First of all, we can improve our product and services by addressing customer feedback, so engage and respond. Secondly, get out in front of concerns or complaints to manage the risk of an ugly social conversation that damages your brand. Finally, and most importantly, strategically develop your social network by joining relevant conversations to engage in that community. Develop content that resonates with their interests and build relationships with key influencers in your space. An influencer is nothing more than a spokesperson for your product, which is a decades-old tactic that still performs. Just remember, social listening powers effective community management. We can group multiple data points that unlock the truth of a social conversation. Then we can act on those insights for a closer relationship with our customer, thereby creating more value for them and a more profitable business for ourselves. Thank you.